Sompa 106.5 FM so ewo ye wa hai Sabre kro ye your headquarters wa ewo Asantemantam mu eno ye Sompa 93.1 wa biem correct pa Asantemantam Kumasi wono ano ayiko 100.9 wono so ye adwuma wa biem ma amanfo na ayiko Sabre kro ye no Adamfo radio ewo France wo ma hin kro Paris no mu da bia ya na metaika Emmanuel Macron France mampani ne na ho pe ene tare eno nti wo mo se bon wo mo kana correct ewo ho Sompa 101.1 ewo takwa eno na owa hina champion mo ena afei eye wo mo aka nyina wo ho a wo mo biebie mu kama ewo ho ede amaye no 103.3 eyo Sompa ne ewo takwa de no wo mo so bogum pa Sompa 106.1 eno wo tachiman so for mama ototo atuo mo brother Philip mo wo mo nyina biebie mu kama ya wo mo jigum afei Sompa 98.9 ewo sunyane alaji be kwa na bro san mu ho a ewo sunyane night market wo no eho no wo wa wo so biem
Sompa FM
very well 90.7 ewo nkranza pani party ha wo mu nyina ebo adwuma ama ne manyina timi akoyie wo bra Sompa 101.3 ewo doma ya wo no so ebogum sabre ye no doma ho na no upiemu a doma FM 100.7 wono so gina mu den ya ekoyie pa Kanesi Ban Radio ewo Kanesi enkran ha ya wo bogum Kingdom 106.1 FM ewo mankasim emfimfim mantamu babia wobi etie udi koda na so babia radio fo ni nyina wo no hwehwe babia Sompa FM gina no bo se Captain Amban no etua ya kokoso ya ye de etete wonu mu aka no woni na Facebook ne so a ya no hwehwe Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na YouTube no eya Sompa FM live www.sompaonline.com so ensam no dodo na agu ha ubetimi akwakenkan bie eya abomoden join yen frɛ obi no bi nso frɛ obi kan twa bi si atena se sabre ye yi no udu TV ne so a say decoder ne so anase wo de no wo de digital no a na wogina so a ya no ahwehwe Sompa TV ye gina mu pa ya ho nso ye bo adigum ewo ho frɛ obi recommend mo bi no bi nso mra election house ya atena se ene asama ho apaso no ye de ma wo memedin oduma nkoma chiame Obrempong nana kwaku ampoma abejafo ka me ho adwuma wura wa ha sanso na Nkwanta Bisa wono so eka ho e wofia ha ya ye nyina ye bo nkomo kama e de ama sabre ye hwe NPP wono mabato a nyame yadom a eda chena wo mo de hyehye so no sabre ya abo na onum apawosima no aduasa ensian akakakra bi na dumienu abo akakakra bi na nonso anopa na abo akakakra bi na nonwotwe kan na wono mo hyase aso what is there to watch dia na wo se ye hwe dia na wo se ekọ nia wo kọ akoto aba no e wo se ekọ ne trim ansana ye boabo ye ho akoto aba na nkasa nso no e dia na wo se ye ne nyina ka na ye nkomo a ye ba bedie ne ho afa bio sabrei ensem bi a ye tete ene ye wo wie ya ye te se allegation bi kokoso se ye se one more rival opponent and as one more better rival in the arena of politics NDC one more person one more sanua edigu am gari mu nyame adom edachena one person one more disrupt abato na one more person one more to no nyame adom echena no aso enukure wom ana nukure nim ana we no akoye amanyosem mu bosiremu ena bio one more nkasa nya asabe one be yom ho dom nti no one more shada to ntrene de agum eba yakokase se yakaye NDC fo no one more de ehuru moja mpa won trimu da nti no yen ya de kura ye kura no won abase no ana se eye de nea bibi wom sansan pani se ukwato se eja no hyehye no fin na border soja enam na nwisie ne bank tenkete ya ahwase ho kesepa na wase ni nyina ka nkomo ne ho eno nti sabre kan ho na yenso yenka ho na yenfa nkomo ne mra ye ni eni ntini ene anwam ya wo mu so tirima bobe pa ewa amanyosem mu no ye ni bibel ebobo nkomo na ye busa se nia ekoyi a binum ahyase ya to bi gu montene so na wono mu ka se bibeso mo sanwea de gu wam gari mu yi aso eno no eye gimmicks ana se eye ade a ewo se ye hwe ne yi enim ho no I think the last week ebra wo mo kwasa peace pact no na IGP wo ho IGP ka say police fo a wo mo beti wo magumu no over 333 centers na wo mo beto aba ne nyina no anya hwe kra no yenim se Bono East die 11 constituencies no anya hwe no abato mpesua bia wo beto aba no benya at least 75 personnel e wo ho enti sabe ukodi bone udi trimusum bone bi kɔ hɔ a polisi fo no be kyewa yɛ odom wɔ hɔ a na ɔmama mmara ɛne wadi medical akadeda sɛ batuo yɛ a wɔn kɔ yi ɛyɛ national security concern oti ne yie pa ɛyɛ national security concern sanse sɛ ɛnyɛ saa anka Ghana Police Service with integrity ka wɔn nkɔ hɔ nkɔgye hwee ka wɔn de wɔn bulldogs ne wɔn bull boys no ɛna nkɔm do bɛyɛ wɔn adwuma nanso sanse yɛ ɔman mu ne nyinaa asɛm nti no ɛno nti ne yɛde ɔman ne kuturement ɛna de kɔ hɔ akɔbɔ wɔn ho ban aso yɛn no mu a yɛwɔ akyire a yɛhwɛ wɔn deɛ na yɛnhwɛ ne mu mfiri wɔn hɔ deɛ na wɔn nso wɔhwɛ ne mu ɛde afiri wɔn hɔ ɛyɛ asɛm kɛseɛ paa ɛna bio yɛnyinya efiti anɔpa no bɛyɛ sɛ 6:30 ɛde banano yɛatena se ɛdedi nkɔmɔ from region ɛkɔ constituency yɛhwɛ the whole country as a whole yɛhunu obiara ne nahoɔden 5 candidates ne nyinaa no obiara ne sinto ne mmerɛ ɔyɛ nahoɔden ɛne nea ɛyɛ ne suade ho ma no ne nyinaa yɛhwɛ ne nyinaa aso ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a ɛbɛtumi akwama baako anaasɛ wei no ɛnhyɛ da nyadeɛ biara ɛda nso biara sanse hɛ wɔn mu nyinaa akɔyɛ te sɛ besipa no kɔ na ha ban ne yɛ kɔ akɔtase ne banyansafoɔ mu na mmom wɔn nyinaa ɛbɛse woyɛ no hwee nyɛ yie wɔn mu nyinaa no kwansan kurom putogum ne hwegum saa na bɛkorɔ baabi a woteɛ saa na wohunu wana join in a conversation on Facebook ne so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and YouTube ne Sompa FM live ubetimi a join in TikTok ne so na ma Sompa 106.5 FM Accra honso ye ginamu den ya ye bopia e wo ho sabre Adwuma Wura aya krado e wo ha ma mini kan ma na kwaba na ye nhye ye nkomo na se bra won so oboaboa ho na onso ode wo contribution e de aba sabre kro ya yi no nso no na ye ne wono mo wo mutirim abobew se na medical kan political analysts and our face so lecturers ahodo a woman na kyerɛ amanyɔsɛm no yɛne wɔn bɛbɔ nkɔmɔ na bambɔsɛm nso yɛne security expert no ɛnso abɔ ho nkɔmɔ ne abusa saa so yɛdi kan ato wɔn ne nana sɛ yɛkɔboro yɛ ho na meka nsɛm mo mɛma Adwuma Wura akɔ aba no na meka saa asɛm wɔ sei akɔyɛ asɛm sɛ deɛ kakra deɛ nanso hwɛ sɛ anifrafoɔ ne nipa bi nso kɔ akɔko ɛna wɔn sɛ yɛbɛko odua mango dua n'ase na anifrafoɔ ɛkɔkɔ ntɔkwa wɔn sɛ o sɛ mango ni bi tepɛ na kyɛ sɛ yaba na wɔn wɔ hɔ na mango ni bi teyɛ afei anifrafoɔ ne twe wɔn ho boro wɔn ho ansa na opponent ne kora ba na sɛ ne training mpo ne edi a ɛne ɛma wini Adwuma Wura akɔ aba hwɛ mic ne ma me mi asoma me akɔ aba
benjo so Obrempong
ɛbɔkɔ deɛ
nyame adom na so
nyame wɔ hɔ
you look nice
nyame te ase wan ka san so no in fact ebia wan hwɛ yi na osi a na guess na chiwo
oh me be dey no dey
o ma be balangard wani mo
sisi eno be ko mungo
o za
yeah mungo na me dey me be kra
za oh okay enkomo yi se ne yadidi no e de afa so far especially with the intra mama any allegations are NPP for binumo allege say NDC for even ene yento aba but omo pese omo disrupt abato no mbeto no nyame adom akina no meaning from the angle a free ba on we bia wote no what it bia what do you make of it?
Okay mame ncha ai nkransan fo nyina menim so bia age krado a wotie Sompa 90.7 Obrempong we kame be say be 1 month 3 weeks to 1 month muni ena na ye tete ya tete sama yenso ya tete bi say NDC for no binum esen kombenya enka Canada Japan embra ya tete say ebi mu kra sponsor Ken because Ken no ba ntokwa no be easy e de amomo Ken de omunsuro no enti omo sponsor ma Ken aba enti sede ye tete okay go be kwa homa no so
ma me nkwa homa no so mra sesia na mene Deputy Director of Elections Edema NDC Chinyama Nyuku no yene no enkomo Yewura Rashid Tanko computer yene no emmo asemi emu enkomo Director otiminka Sompa 106.5 FM so na Sompa TV so nie me mo akwa ba o
ya
na ohona mu boko de
anya me adu bia boko
ye de Awurade ase enwumre yi ye da asese waje bredi ye bonkomo na ma me mfa wo mfiri benkum ha ade na kwa ba ya yase mo NDC for mo pese mo disrupt NPP for about 1 beto nyambo ochine Let me say, again, now, bar. I mean, say phone the loudspeaker. I say, "Emma, me feedback akra." Ha, and I say, "Bia, obey me hands free now. You so obey me a year free Muranka Kasa director." Let me say, very well. Let me say, again, now, bar amount for alleged say mu NDC for. MPP for allegations. Gumo so say, "Mu person mu disrupt your mabato na omo kwa kwaturu nyambo china." Adam bone me no mayemo.
Na asemu ya obitami say na papo. Omo anga so mo shati se omo ko ya na mo ko mo internal. Say the NDC for the card. Obi akọ market. Omo anga so na tutu ama no ho na a very confused party going into a very confused election. And a woman in Colombia. You catch us NDC before. I will interest in the business of me for that. And you know,
money interest be a woman.
Woman, Monoma. Nipa numi yomu kwenye ubia credibility ubia monoma omunyina bekwata omo enti ya bibia ya say individual budget relationship you ya say na party problem I bit ya so if omo problem the new problem the omo population I the rest na wa omo ma say omo population omo na dombe ya ebi a jindile bomb no no munye ndi jibuka ye o ma tamo ni din ato
Enti we no muhunu say mere allegations.
Me I sure more as a politician. You say when elections are choosing to end, people will make such insinuations and whatever. But what to do? Within the NDC, the interest in elections with empire and they are a cockroach has no business in the power that if you are more elections, no more for more elections, no more NDC, no more. So my conclusion is if you won't come elections, there is no color.
Sir, onipa a wambekwa akoyi no, ede na babia no. Sir, what say money interest bia wo ma? Amanfo say na omo ni mu nyina na ba be face in 2028. Enti na money interest wo mu no is it because mu hu say 2028 no a done deal e de ma mu nti na mu hu say no
like me but you see what I can see finally what say and before and say for no mo abemu and na stewardship is the accountable. And your party, party popular. You see, what was the people want to popularize and and nobody in this government. One person will change this because then the dollar will be a future. Almost your elections, which are your elections. That is a scenario. But we are not concerned about them at all. Our focus is on our party and the future of this country. The good signals that are coming with the economy improving bit by bit and progressing. That is the focus. The MPP there, woman no the mu ye and young ones on Kata. So my friend is a better let's
also man find this year me bata ho a omo ntimi nya omo elections no
na say bia say woni me ka say me no ka say ama obi say na omo yin elections just as we go nim say MPP elections bi kira me nim say wo ba ka kire me obi aka say ko elections bi kira
bebre ba o ma ka ho asem ma ye nyina ya ka ho asem nyina yi
wo ko ka no woni
omo timetable by say 31st January. That was somewhere last year mpo. And did next year omo delegate conference here. Omo koya amendments kakra wo Legon Park.
And the elections be an very chat omo for man who do want to party ku you. and you need to be on question. Minya,
Tango, Maminya or na me unfound community na. So far, as I say, what the can say, who say Omokoye election be at least. Maybe the can catch us a election Omokoye. Is there any message for them?
Sumpa FM.
Various constituencies across the country. Oh, constituency bay. And I mean, we just say, me baby, our way. Hey, Rashid, thank you, computer. My answer never comes here, right? Deputy Director of Elections at the NDC and Yaneno Abo and Common Rashid, thank you, computer. And Yaneno Ekasai. Now, Yanko Manaso, Ewan Komoya, na Yanira, Haruna Mohammed. One Deputy General Secretary at the NPP or Snukuku Amayukono, Yane on also Mo and Como. General Otominka, some Pi FM, some TV Sunye, Majwe. Now, minimum so tree no a munya kakradi and so all the fra from my head, the fanasa, why? So, where dear?
Yeah, let's tell me, boss, never. Okay, now my boss is from Star, now Mr. Sammy Channel.
Okay. Yo, me da sepa. Now, Niayati and more level allegations. In fact, there are some allegations a binomo year from your side, from your party. Say, Nyami Adwuma Echana Abatuana Mokono. NDC for near maybe to disrupt Echana elections, you know. Sanity, one who be what to be sir. Allegation there, no correct.
Yeah, the report, Akama, the Ghana Police Service. This is the intelligence now, the police service, Ghana Police Service, now, and I say, they should come and supervise our elections. So, if you say, the people or me. Nema Basabata, and the Ghana Police Service to handle that. And again, the strict instructions say, here any national security operative here, or any of the voting centers. No more that will treat them as an intruders. And that is the position of the party. So after the report, we have reported to the Ghana Police Service, and I don't need to say they discuss into the matters. We wait what the Ghana Police Service will report back to us. But what we do know say I can't almost say here in the national security operative here. But we are watching them, and we will make sure that the police or the law will take it in force.
Is it because they are coming in with national security operatives, NIB operatives, and I say any other security?
We don't need them. Here any NIB. Here any national security operatives. It is the Ghana Police Service on there. They are the ones in charge of internal security. And they are the people we have invited and supervising the security situation of our elections. We don't need any national security operatives.
So, my question no, I was say because some allegation no, muhuni say national security allegedly national security operatives bia. Yes, we so amodi omo ba omo na eba cause some disruptions na.
Sir, maybe I can tell you, you are reporting the Ghana Police Service. And we don't need any national security operative. So when you say in the national security, we have those who are properly recruited and those hoodlums that come from the NDP. So you are here any national security operative in our elections. They are the Chokata, the Ghana Police Service or member supervising. We are any criteria national security. It is the Ghana Police Service or member supervising the elections of our party. Your party, your internal security. You can't use any of the internal security persons in our party. So what the guarantee that the NDC and after government will bring any national security. Any of them, we consider them as intruders, and we have reported to the police service. It's not a matter of being deliberate to discuss on the matter. There are more important matters that you discuss aside this particular report. The Ghana Police Service to handle.
Okay. And so far, my member Nyame Adwuma Echena, so far the party's preparation towards Nyame Adwuma Echena events across the country, no. Mimusa say so far how far? And now on the side of security, no, me baho, but Mimusa generally, so far how far?
On the side of security, the police will handle that. And the police have deployed to every election center 70 police officers to handle that. The police are also putting all measures, all the security situations, tight. Anybody say, the police station, the police will take care of the person and the law will take its own course. In terms of electoral material preparations, all electoral materials are brought to all the centers for use on the election day. The electoral commission is in charge. And after the election, the coalition, the declaration, at the party headquarters, and the outdooring and collecting of speeches from the elected flag bearer. And to really now, at the asylum down at the headquarters. So everything is ready. We are ready for tomorrow. And elections will start at 7 a.m. and elections will be at 2 p.m.
So far, how many polling stations yet to obey? Mimusanasa.
Every constituency has one polling station. So we have 276 and one polling station at the headquarters. So 277 voting centers.
Now I say because the earlier report I was over 300 polling centers.
No, I don't know where it came from. We have 277 voting centers.
Okay. Now, with the aspirants now, go into this election, no. After the signage of the peace pact, conductor, even after signing a peace pact, no. Do you think, sir, and do you foresee, sir, now it goes in line with party regulations?
Out of the party regulations. The election committee have said that and those ones that are grieving out of that, then the party will take measures after the elections. So the party is still monitoring the conduct of it and everything.
Okay. So me delegate. Before that, so far how many people and I am sharing say one babetwabano?
Over 211,000.
Over 211,000.
Yes.
Any message to them? Ebiana obi tieu at this time on this idea, and we are not campaigning for anybody, but from the party hierarchy as Deputy General Secretary, do you have any message for all the delegates at Babetwaba? And as far as
we need peace after the elections. We need peace after the elections, and unity should be the focus. Everybody should go and cast it or have and go with and I wish the declaration of the results.
Haruna, thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you, my brother.
I was saying, Haruna Mohammed, one Deputy General Secretary, Edema NPP, or Sono Kokroko, Amanyokuno, and I know Abo and Komono. Enti Sanye Tanko Computer can say, Omodie, they have no business in MPP for one more presidential primaries, no. Deputy General Secretary just say, Omate, that's the intelligence they are picking. Omo Abo police foreman, yeah, police force are working fervently. Sa reports no Adwuma.
Obrempong,
Yeah.
I'm saying Rashid computer. No one can say come, but was say asem.
Oh sir.
Because I was saying no, because untimin can chem say the biggest opposition party of Ghana. Twaba. Even logo SRC president cry. Now no ya guru mu contest here. And why anti say ya Twaba or Ghana. Now catch him say MPP Penia obedi omanim 2028. Rashid computer say onim say Twaba or Ghana. Oh. Ompon wa mama din ho ya pa. Oye nice man me pene kasa no ne ade but what can some come muni interest room nanka it ends there. Nanka worry because mo no ebia eno no mfa yi bia mremu enti no hu hia se bia mo deje na waka bibi se bia economy no ba bia president Mahama de fa no mo kura mo yi obi ba to se o mo contest 2028 enko ba bia enti ye ne mfa ma ba nto onye hwe but wo be ka kire wo Ghana ha se aba no ye nim se to aba bia kura wo Ghana ha in fact onko no mra bim na me ka sem bi se ahun se me titi sa titi sem ne bia se NDC for yes the ate no so mo sponsor candidate bi ye Canada Japan because ono no mo de ne ba MPP for de ne ba ono no ho wonsem dodo
okay
enti on betimi a twafa no so ne ande ade enti se sansem ye ati wo de deputy general secretary di ma MPP kan say eye a omo apeke no say no credit a na je say de etiti no ebia na omo hunu say bia ba omia enam rain no ekwan no so onam so nti se saade a eni enye bibia sabi ebe say ade no ana enye bibia ebe ma party no kra no eho nya kodo politicians minimum on beti ma ye aya ne kese pa enti Rashid computer fine okan no ade onim andi sine MPP dia Obrempong unimom ade no eye tuntum pa o se fita oh enti omo de ye nim se no mu tite se what I say enti MPP Deputy General Secretary Haruna Mohammed say waka dia monfa ose oyo because bibia is possible ebetimasi ebi mu betima hyehyehye omo na anu say ehun bi wa abrekuma no ko amanfo omo ye we ase fine kwa e form kra ye sika kuma bi enti omo mo ni ho enna ho so omo so ma report e de ma police for say na ko de a omo mo ni na ho because say the MPP party na ye no Obrempong ye to aba wie ye president Mahama started so an appointment eba besi sabria me ne wotie MPP party no eno no e dan side na presidential promise omo ye no so dan side o kan nyina boma party no e ho nya ko no say party no as agija bi party no aye ne ho star bi especially said the president Mahama e de o man yi ko na appointment wa ye any baby a wama dollar enya hoden any inflation ni baby e da no ama sisi no NDC no aya kono ama sisi ubo MPP credit a na ebibia ho eniti eno so can happen say ebia omo be ya say party ni nya kono ne ento aso nya kono sa
okay ma me nkwa homa no so mra sisi a na me ne Yura Richard Kumado wono eba no bambo mu a papa we ni tiri mabobi wa bene papa say o de fa benkum ansa na wo bebo wutirim no na wahu na wadi kan ka cho se nia wo de ba na moa jae enti ye ka bambosam a papa yi wa bene pa mene no enkomo ewo eho Yura Kumado atimi nka so mpa FM Super TV so nie me mo akwa ba o very well now penny baby ayate ne se MPP allege say NDC 4% omo use communist tactics with national security NI before no mo be disrupt yame adoma abatu am betro nyambo ochina no minim say what is answer me bia generally what do you make of it
Papa police say every police station a coalition center at every district and at every constituency or the police officer 17 and to me say there were enough police officers on the ground who will take care of any lapses and discrepancies. What is important if you want to have election integrity is to ensure that nobody's name has been deleted from the voting register. So a re-election which is close of post, there should be no discrepancies in the results, there should be no distortions of results, and there should be no duplication of results. The problem is now we are to meet to about now results just like you've got now. Any problem here.
Yura, is it possible in any way, sir? Obibet aside, sir, police for the at least 70% of alcohol every voting center no. Bia obibet me up bonitim say. In as much as police no. Obe try say obey be bonne. Is it possible?
The IGP can say the contenders have sent him a message saying that some of the MPP contenders are trying to bring macho men. So if they themselves are trying to bring macho men, and this evening you are saying to me that the BNI is a serious organization. They don't do stupid things. If you are saying that BNI and national security and NDC people are bringing people there, it means that even within the MPP, they try to bring macho men. But the point I'm making is that the BNI is a serious organization. We don't do crazy stuff. So I'm surprised they are bringing the name of the BNI into this. But in any case, there are 70 police officers per police station, and we will deal with it as quickly as possible.
Afe yanhwe nyame adom a echena omabato no se na wadi kanpo aboso amame of which na kamede oba bewura ho a generally ohwe the security consensus I are building from the time omko sign a peace pact e de ba be sin ne omo preparations towards election no. Do you foresee say everything is in order, we can go to sleep without any
when it comes to election, there are three things that create problem. One, deletion of names of voters. Number two, duplication of results, close of polls. Close of polls activities are so crucial. Duplication of results, distortion of results, discrepancies in results, it creates problems. That one is not a police issue. It's not a voters issue. It's not a contenders issue. It's the election officers their issue. What kind of task they call now materials delayed, there will be problem. If we go and voters' name are deleted, there will be problem. If there's displacement in two related constituencies, there'll be problem. So these are the things you spend time to fix, not peace pact and not the nonsense we are hearing in the air. Go and do these things and you'll be fine. If you don't do them, you don't need a prophet or a soothsayer to tell you that there's going to be problem. But we are hoping that people will behave themselves and count their votes. And names will be there, and the votes will be counted and declared. And police will ensure that there's public safety for voters and there's enough security for election officers to do their job. So that is what we have here.
Yeah, me jaw mo akono bia na ya ba ho sesi wo mo kwa ba to asu delegate bi wa abonten se na contenders ne so wo ho ye ka se kan mo nyina abomu baako sima baako na tu omfo a security wise then anka be ka kire wo.
The IGP is in charge and the IGP has enough security men on the ground. Let's go and do elections. Election is not about security. You are not going to war. You want people to vote for you and win. So that is what you should be thinking about. How to mobilize people after you give them TNT of huge sums of money. How to mobilize them to go and vote. Election is not a war zone or a wrestling. You are going to vote. And if they vote for you, you are cool. So let's do the election and the conduct of the election properly. It's not so much about security. It's so much about getting people out there to vote. And when they vote, let their vote be counted.
Yera Kumado, and you read that so aje breni abonkomo. Say, Yera Richard Kumado, a security consultant. Ebano bambo mua wa bene pa na wane ye abo enkomo no. Nti oye delegate na uti ya wa futu no de ama no nyantokwa. Kotre wa drink keke na kofie. Ye wi a baby a to wa ba ne call ye no. Ube hu resource. Asem ni etiawa. Adwuma.
Yeah, na Kumado I say, but say police for ho bebre nti basapasa ntimi sini de ende onyim film. Genim Ghana police.
Okay.
Oh, ye ni mo bebre. Na about to yenye by election nansi che bia last year.
19 police stations.
Dey ni see. Na oba ka chem say omo dey police for ho nti de eno de onyim film. But asem ne say on say NDC na MPP no omo nka nokre.
Okay.
No kura no mo nkanti o. Nanka we about to we dey nti na say basabasa etimisi because oba me krom nkransa ye to no Methodist school. Sa Methodist school wa ye shey. Omu shey. Consultancy executives in 24 ho bia rep ho ne has utu wi abai kra 7 2 ne apon. O support you nipa no aye ko baby. Dey nti na say basabasa si. But any senior MPP no omo nka no kre. So what I say Rashid computer Edna no beka obi beka say enso be wi ase no na basabasa dey akwa kosi enti we about to we dey o we a ware ne simple no obi akọ ne baby dey me hu entokwa bia na say bi say bi mu be ye we na enka Ghana police for no kra no obi ya de ene ye chi no ene ye punishing year
severely
eno na ma sa ne me aye o chese ye chinwa nanu abrekumo no fu de akura na ya na ye ya chini paso o ye nsamone ye fan na sika kuma bi ono ko gina otunu motuma pa watua se what I say party for no betime tua kura de amana enso ase ye treat ye nkrofo no kwan ya befa so a ade no ya
deterrent enough
debi
okay
de na kotum 1 year de na tum 2 years and 6 months vigilante for no emra na kan say
say ka say yamba
ne yangunu nyina eso still o ye adwuma o Ghana so what I say ni nyina police for no say wo chi obi na wo punish ni yi what they are switching kese to no so next time no onko ye bi but party we aba na police for no support party no ba power we ba support the o anti ye na musia nenya me aba
me da se Adwuma Wura no na me bra pani abedru Nkwanta Bisa Nkwanta akwa ba biam
yeah Joe
we can say the egua ne ha MVP for that Roma me nim ba bia obefa de free ye didi nkomo ne bia ne Rashid Tanko wa kire na adwen wo ho Haruna Mohammed bia be kan Okuma don so de bia ka ho bambo mu ye nwura mu mpo no na ya te se basa ye bi na mkwan so obayi police are taking care of that but ebinom so say ye din keke no mpe so wo mo twemba wo mo election mu keke nti minim baby how be free.
But that's Obrempong. But I mean, I disagree with Wura Kumado on certain points. Enumerate ole. So it's not about security. Parliament, recent Parliament. One thing that is unparliamentary, they say, you be a military era Parliament. What happened in Parliament, you know? Now, idea Constitution frowns upon the proceedings in Parliament frowns upon. But look at the chaotic scene, even parliamentarians. I believe that they ought to know better because they are the second arm of government and almost an framers of the Constitution. And our forefathers who engineered Constitution who say there are places and they say this certain kind of security area. It's in the commando Bekache say election is not about security. Then I disagree with you. One of the places a Yoma Betimia Koso election. Not only in Africa. Not to even talk about Ghana ha. Yawa president actually say Emre Bian Titrupa se by election any primaries say yeah. Now even university elections when we were in the SRC. At a point in time, what's the security back? True. Not a big election. This even election,
external security should come in.
And what tension say? Because people have invested, but your investment one true. And you can do things because of the kind of investment or the show. So the police service is not out of order. Ghana Police Service Inspector General of Police is not out of order, sir. Every center be at least not less than 70 should be seen. Sir, or be combining with other services now. Security is paramount. I was about to you babikum. To me, obi catch me say na say ya. That me dwen hum yenu amentiase because every elections comes with security issues. And here, election of course, somebody will say, NDC home. It is a lie. The opposition party always have interest in what the other party is doing. They have interest because the candidate that they will bring, you have to study the candidate and know how to deal with the candidate. Because John Kwakwe, I don't know day, a better head-ons and the Barbary. So I am surprised, sir. A computer man,
Tanko computer.
Yes, Tanko is trying to say or sidelining. Common, I didn't say. Same way, Ubusano. What, please, with the greatest of respect, Tanko. If you have to answer this question, answer it in the manner and way it should. Not about writing things away. They are speculation. Yatise. This is what people are alleging against your party.
So defend yourself.
Already, your party, ama other parties in their own primaries when it comes to even MPship now. Only ya allege against certain candidates say it's true they are doing and a man certain MPs lose seat.
True.
And now unyanti kromani abeka say some of these presidential candidates ni bi wa omu ko tria sika eko supporto omu opposite parties opposition parties say omu lose election eje kroma na ne ho. So please let's respect us that In as much as say, make us say MPP for, they should focus on this election on Kwakoto. No munyai, me oye say ya. And no man be in the womb. And check say, I bet yaba. Ballot papers are. Yabecas will be a printer or the Kwakugum. Oye de beba. Ballot papers, Yabecas and Gophobia quantum printed, or babia, or mobile gum. Ebeba. And no dear Ghana, Macran and Kenya, Ghana abatu. And you maybe to say, yeah, you say, chaos, beba, Kofu, the national security is not for NDC.
Okay.
The name national security is not for NDC.
The entire nation.
The entire nation. And do you think this election, observers will not be there?
Yeah, election.
It's not only the interest of Ghana.
A national security issue. And the world at large.
And the world at large. There is interest from every angle.
Okay.
And tomorrow be me say obi na anya na ade bi na okwakwai. No. Enyo obi na anya na ade bi na okwakwai. Yes anke bedanke metena meka bi.
Mami announce phone lines na meti phone so join the conversation. 0260196064. 0260196064 and 0260196065. 0260196065. Opese o join the conversation. No bramu se sia na ye mo enkomo. But answer na no. Yes, got any adwuma. Yes, you do amanfo so a na yakai yanom 2023. Me bebo voice bi. Have you mic me? Pesa bebo voice bi. Na here the refreshing ya wo kakra. You go so check. You go so check etie phone. Yentie we brasisi a.
President Akufo, Mama showdown. Vice President, Mama showdown. So, Mama chasing me agent. I'm not going to shut them. What am I betting you? Yes. Me challenge President Akufo anytime.
I'm going to want to say no. Fuck all this necessary. Me ba je first and others every.
Hello, but if I'm going to jump, that's free take a jump.
But also did here then. Paul. Okay. Paul, say CA. Well. Paul Nyabotre. We are delegates.
Hello.
Me chese NPP about to no. We are delegate to man.
Hello.
Yeah, Paul Timinka. Me busa say we are delegate ana. We are delegate. Okay. So CA, yes, to abano say CA between the 5 contenders, no. When I go to abano CA. Me busa say nipa numu a ejina flag bearer position no. Yes, to abano say CA I was some FM some TV so a. When I go to abano.
Okay, maybe said the no. I was a boy because Ghana will be anyway. First time,
okay.
Doctor, I like Mahmoud Bamian and move. So I said,
Mate, me da say, me bacho oba na wabone tew e de amaye. Me bacho your first and now ka safri he.
If I say friend be ka kire, me ka test committee 1. Start wait tema.
Me da say, o ya delegate.
If I told you.
Okay, say CA say o ya delegate. Na you say to abana. Hwan anka beto ama no.
If I told you, they mean too much here, but they make say. They now open about can. So, you your phone top. See, if you been in here, one think in your phone about the commercial.
Mate, me da say 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Me ba che first and how ka safri here.
But I don't project them because of Takwa.
But also didn't hear day.
I don't project them because of Takwa.
Kwajo, who ya delegate?
Project them because of Takwa.
Mo owa hini krom. Who ya delegate? Okay. Me ba cho me ntie ho radio no so tie me.
No, me go me radio ho, me radio ho.
Okay, me buta se sia is ye to aba no a. Na ye se to de se sia ya hwan na nka be to ama no. Okay, mbacho any sign bra back na yen hwe. Me bacho first na ka free here.
Hello.
Hello, me bacho didi na ka free here.
Because of
Atebubu mpacho odi ni edan. Robert, say ye to aba. Ye say to de say MPP election yi. Why na abeto ama no? Me da say oso ato ama Krede Japan. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho your friends na ka say free here. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho udi ni say na ka say free here. Michael, baby, I want radio na TV vi ben o. Dum radio ni mami na TV no dum ni mami sisi a. Very well. O ye delegate na.
Ya be me delegate.
Enti se wo to aba ya beto akọ he.
Abara won mo to le die. E to kwa ye de ya se de opa na ba ko kan yo.
Mate. Oh, kafra. Hello.
Krede Japan.
Oba to ma Krede Japan, ba che fra say.
Efeme dai.
Babu mpacho me da se bebre, ono so ne de eno no. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho udi ni se na ka say free he.
Me pacho me kasasi Pantan village.
Pantan village, pacho udi ni say.
Me pacho frame eno Pantamoa.
Eno ke delegate na. Sesi yi aba no ye ka se ye to no sesi a Osompa FM Sompa TV so a hwan na abeto ama no.
Kaya land eko.
Why? Okay. Me da say. Hello. Dabi Atom 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, me bache frost and how can I free here? Sister tell you about them. Oh, Mr. Tell you a delegate na. Ukru na yebi anti.
Almost omukodi since 20 omo brem omo ntu aba ni bi.
Omukodi hwan achi.
Omukodi since Morrison ti Grand West. Omo brem omo ntu aba ni bi.
Sa ho. Enti wo sesi yi se ya pene se ukunu meto aba na wo nso to bia. Wo ankasa nka abeto akọ he.
Beto mechanic.
E na obefo so se ukunu nso ntoma hwan.
Bana se fa na wo.
Me da say.
Na omo so omo brem omo ntu bi no.
Me da say. Hello.
Obrempong maje.
Iya ja o me pacho hwan ni o.
Obrempong e fe na pa mi ka fi wenchi bunu begi.
Oh, na kwa mi wanchi boko. Me pacho wo ye delegate na. Okay, sesi a ya to aba no Osompa FM Sompa TV so. Me da say, ono so ne de ya o de aba eno no we de kasa bi eni akire se din. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, boss. Me pacho frost and how kasa free here.
Me kasa free Nkwanta me dingi Emmanuel
Nkwanta. Emmanuel your delegate.
Yo, but me delegate.
Okay, but sesi a ya to aba no wa he ya. Yes, to aba no sesi a obeto ma hwan.
Yeah, to aba no sesi a. Kennedy. Me style nipa o ye no ti.
Me da say. Me da say o se Kennedy Japan. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Me ba che first na ka say free here.
Me ba so me delegate chairman with Jakubu na me pese me bo mi ginu ai.
Boko. Enti wo no beto akọ he.
Na adepo fe e se Kennedy de e bi atoma no.
Okay, mate, me da say Jakubu fu nyina je so. Me ba cho mate, me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho your friends na ka say free here.
Me ba cho me ka say free Nkwanta e free
Kin P. KT.
Yeah.
Okay, KT your delegate na. Fantastic. Me pacho hwan na wo to abaya ma no sesi a.
Oh, Dr. Noah Baumia Noah.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, me da say. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho radio bi na TV bi ben o nka wo twen ho na wo dum ne maami a.
Hello, Obrempong maje.
Iya ja o me pacho hwan ni o.
Obrempong maje.
Hello. Meto on kapa me pacho France na ka say free here.
Me delegate ba me mbogi.
Okay. Okay. Enti wo hwan na wo to ama no? Kennedy, me da say. Ono so ne de no asempe tia. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho radio bi wo wachi. Dum ni ma me why?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Me pa cho first and how can say free here?
FM SK Amwa.
SK Amwa.
Yeah.
Me pa cho
MPP, they should know that they are a crossroad. And then therefore Ghana markets because the country with the mafia and was transfer Ghana.
Mate, me da say hello.
Hello, could you
say takwa boko. Me pa cho who know your delegate na? Okay, yeah, to aba no sesi a, hwan na wo to ama no? Mate, me da say wo to ama Canada Japan, wo so betimi afre na waba so ebie 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 64 and 0260 1960 65 0260 1960 65. Hello.
Obrempong.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Me patch first and how can I free here?
Obrempong, me and your poncho the wenchi.
Yeah, poncho.
Yeah, Obrempong.
Poncho higher kwan ho. Yan to abane yonko.
Higher kwan. Me delegate here.
Okay.
I can come to the party. Yeah, come to the market. What that?
Me patch mate. Me da say.
Me da say.
Nyame sure. You be ajo so. Hello. Welcome. Yeah, Sambra. Minko benkuma na minko nifa. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Odi she be ni o, ba jo ka sa free here.
Me dey be Emmanuel, me ka say free Afan Prince.
Afan Prince ne mudi he.
Donko Krom North.
Bo krono donko krom mo hope.
Donko Krom Kennedy Japan airport.
Me da say. Mate, me da say. Wono so dey no. Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho radio bi o wachi twa homa me why?
Me radio no.
Very well. Me bacho ade shebe ni o.
Me bacho nya Ezra ni.
Dabi o so mpanie.
But na wo ye no, delegate no.
Very well. Enti ye busa se wo to aba ne bi sesi anka abeto ama hwan.
You be delegate the pattern come the meto ama doctor Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay, me da say. Ono so ne de ya odi aba eno no. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, me bacho first and how can I free here?
Me ka say free Keshiman. Bono East.
Me bacho ne frau san yo.
Bono East.
Me bacho ye frau san.
Me di Willie, me free Keshiman Bono East.
Willie, we are delegate na.
Daddy.
Okay, yeah, to aba no, o to ama hwan. Kennedy.
Na so mo million.
Mate.
Me da say.
Nyabotre. Me pacho. Odi she be na me na she. Hello. Dabi etu atum. Ahoma no so aye she. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Me pacho odi she be na me na she.
Friend Boatin.
Boatin, o ka sa free he.
About Kumase Bramai.
Bramai. Fantastic. Say, who are delegate na? Me say, who are delegate to MPP mu ana?
Me delegate.
Yan to aba ne sesi a, obeto ama hwan?
Ordinary Kennedy.
Kennedy Japan. Mo me da se bebre. Ono so ne de a odi aba no. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Me ba try your friends and how can say free here? Thomas Manso do bia mo. Who are delegate na?
Let's go on Ken.
Obeto ama Ken. Mo mate me da se bebre. Hello. Hello. Me ba try your friends and how can say free here?
What are some Evans? Free Soko.
Evans nkoko bro no ben so na we.
Soko.
Nsoko. Okay. Uno we are delegate na.
Media.
Enti wo bato aba na ma hwan sesi a.
Ken.
Canada Japan. Mate. Me da se bebre. Ye aha no so atom. Hello. Yes, sir. Me bato good evening. Me bato ne first and how can say free here? Me bato wo din design na o ka say free here.
Me din di na me ka say free akokwa.
Bato so din ye den.
Me din di na ka say free akokwa.
Nena. Fantastic. Who are delegate na?
Me ya delegate.
Enti yen to aba no sesi e fa ne say we delegate. Obeto ho na nka pe no.
Me Choma
Kennedy, me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me patro udi di say na o ka free he.
But you have a soft support because you free Swansea and crime.
Swansea crime, me patro me da say pa.
And crime.
And crime, yo. Me patro okay. We are delegate na.
Me patro me also for being delegate.
Oh, okay. Asafo na they say here to abai. Unya ya, sanka we are delegate na wo to bia. Hwan na nka beto ama no?
Me patro kam to the pomp.
Me patro mate, me da say Nyankopon kan ho pa. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me patro audition be na me na share yi.
Na kasa si ejeso. Ejeso no kwa afo na akwa mo. Ejeso. E ba sa ejeso ankasa.
Okay, jeso proper. Patro for say.
Na ten
Manfosua we delegate ana.
Ani o.
Mama, enti why na apa no?
Kennedy.
Me da se Manfosua nya men kan ho. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me patro de shebe na me na share yi.
Nana Prince, you can say please. The chamso.
Nana Prince, the chamso. We are delegate ana.
If I tell them, you need delegate.
Okay, now so yan to aba no sesi a, why na ka pe no?
Let one Baumia, Dr. Baumia.
Dr. Baumia. Mate. Me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Me patro. Good evening, sir. Patro, why na me na share yi?
But listen to the CI.
But I say,
it would the way academy or to train the man, then to a metro Kennedy, Japan.
Mate, me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Me patro this year na me na share jumre.
Obrempong, I don't teach a farm, because every banda.
O ka every banda. Mo banda o ya delegate o hwana.
I'm a delegate.
Fantastic. O no o ba to ama hwan? Kennedy, me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Hello. Evening.
Me patro this year na me na share jumre.
But if I'm after because every upper the Jawas
Dunkwa on offering. Fantastic. We are delegate na.
But I'm a delegate.
O no kwa ma hwan?
But honorable Kenana
mo me da se bebre. Me da se. Hello. Me patro good evening.
Good evening.
Me patro first and how can say free here?
If I'm teacher Johnson me free Otiri.
Teacher Johnson Otiboko there. Teacher Johnson, who are delegate na?
Better Davi.
Enti abanu nkatesi a ya tu obeto ama hwan.
Nkaba semi foot.
Teacher Johnson. Teacher Johnson Machimedasi. Hello. Dabi, eno so atom, yamfa benkum ha. Hello. Yes sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Me patro your first and how can say free here?
Patro bibi meeting
e kwanda ho. Me patro wo no ka say free here poten.
Me patro me wo kun.
E patro say chronom. Oh okay. Me assure say nti adu din sie no o ya delegate. Fantastic. Me patro wo batu akwa he.
Me dia me. No
Baumia.
Yeah, no. I have
okay.
And I had cat, so the station in Ada, I share a criminal opportunity.
Mate,
support me
that say hello. Good evening.
Evening, what?
But your first and how can say free here?
But your firm alignment in the
Price so. Hey, sir, also didn't hear day.
Alignment.
Oh, you fit any ana?
David.
Oh, you delegate ana?
Ajay.
Into what?
Oh, that's why you didn't get the jobs.
Near the other day.
You didn't hear the jobs, and I said, yes, on count. Honorable or Hilly at Japan.
Mate, may I say, and price for you now, Chamo. Hello. Me pacho jina ye kakra me. Good evening.
Hello.
Aha. Emu ye. Me pacho wan am ne na share nwumre.
Me din de me be che kaka am se tapa.
But you say France eh?
Me din de me che kaka am se tapa. Bonsa.
Mate, yan fancy wa. O ya delegate ana.
Ah.
Okay. O ba to afa he.
Baumia.
Baumia.
Baumia, I didn't Baumia therefore now. If you are not kind of
Mate. May I say hello? Hello. Oh, we just so there be atom 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Me bacho good evening.
Hello.
Mommy, good evening. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho maju. Yeah, me chiao. Yo, me busa say your friend say na ka free he.
Pacho, me delegate.
Okay, bacho o ka free he.
Good afternoon then. Pacho me wo curriculum.
Oh, ofokrom ha ya. Okay, e ho de ye de npe. Wo no to afa he.
Me di Eric me kasa free friend say curriculum.
Okay, o to afa he.
Ono mo Kennedy akompra ko benuma e Japan.
Me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho ya no ama one so kakra ma me. Good evening.
Good evening.
Ofori Tachiman. Me bacho o ya delegate ana. Okay. Ofori wo ba to ama hwan? Kene Japan. Mate. Me da say. Wono so ne de ode aba eno no. Hello. Hello. Dabi wamaye amemfa foforo e wo line 2 no so. Hello.
Hello, doctor.
Yes, sir, boss. Me pa your friends na ka safri he.
But your friend so from na so dey mo.
So for sapon, aha pa ma me ntie we.
Me pa you mom come ka ke di same wa.
30 seconds ni anko yanim.
Me pa me say. Me pa if don't get for here for much show. Bon. Pa ye pension in fact the point time na na become not boy. I do Thursday. So now there's a message kono. I try the first my board mate. Is a before answer the phone ma. In number the six the top. In fact I'm 120 mama in front of you.
Okay. Mate, me da say hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me patrol your friend say na ka safri he.
Me patrol me ka free to me malwa dentira.
Okay, and your friend say
me didn't even be say ka patrol pa ma kan wa etuwe ura kan.
Mate, me da se bebre, ono so ne de ode aba eno no. Hello.
Hello.
Me patrol your friend say na ka safri he. Good evening.
Me ka safri asen of otem kwame ampoko.
Kwame, patrol we delegate.
Me delegate.
Me patrol wo to afa he.
Canada
Japan, me da se bebre. No so ne de eno no. Hello.
Hello, yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me patrol your friend say na o ka safri he.
Me de that to Chakenton from Mankasim.
O Chakenton Mankasim. And as a kingdom pay.
Yeah, very good.
Very well. Oh, yeah, delegate now. Okay. Into over 12 for him.
Me can say NPP and fucking Japan ba. There's a somewhere the last political party on earth.
Me da say oh come on Canada Japan. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho good evening. Me pacho first and how can I free here? O ka safri de chamso pacho e first eh. Akoso ya delegate ana. Okay. Baumia. Mate, me da say. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Me pacho your friends and now kasa free he.
Pacho me kasa free sama di ba pacho di sikata.
Okay, we are delegate one.
Delegate.
Binu usuru. Me pacho oh no, o to afa he.
Adwuma Wura pen oho akom
Me da say. Me da say. Oba ya no abod minim ne ntia delegate na omo ba na ya no omo de omudin tete asa ba kusuru obetimi kra bo English name no o say name kra na omo afine. Hello me ba cho your friend say na kasa free he
your friend me chere me kasa free dem
chere ba cho so kasa free he
me kasa free
dem okay who your delegate
me ba cho dem
okay yeah two oba na sesi ya o to akọ he
akra mechanic say but kame kwa mabawomia
okay
kase MPP yi mu a eden ko for oba Primaries na wo wen
me da say hello
Sorry.
yes sir good evening me ba cho your friends na kasa free he
That's a friend of Kwata, me kasa free asonte.
Kwata also kasa free he
Asonte.
okay me ba cho we delegate okay yeah two abana sisi eh wo ba to akwan kwaku
Adwuma Honorable Canada Japan.
Me da say hello atom okay ma me hwese betimi afa course ne be me nupa bi aka ho hello
good evening
me ba cho frost na kasa free he
your friend ko kwa jam so free kuma na afo
okay kwaku o ya delegate ana okay yeah to abana wa hasisi eh o ba to ama hwan
the American say we have 10 times yen to man 10 times
enti wo no onka ba to ama hwan
Kennedy ohine Japan
me da say hello good evening me ba cho frost na kasa free he
yeah very right me kasa free one
catch them say o na ya last caller kana mintie
e ba to me delegate
okay
na abato na me share Ghana for say omuntu abana makle de Japan say you to yan to abana
mate me da say ma me fa last caller hello
Good evening, brother.
good evening sir me ba cho first na kasa free he
Me the Moses.
fa itwa poko
For say that country ni be wu ne tenten.
okay
Then you ba obi a no good.
mate me da say ni ampesa obi ya ma me no nyanye ye hello ma me ba cho first na kasa free he
kasa free
hello ma me ba cho first ayo
ya free Adwuma
Adwuma kasa free he
me kasa free
Eija ma me ka kire tiefo nyina se o na aye last caller ntu kasa mo bia mfre biom
o dai
ka kire tiefo nyina se o na aye last caller ntu wo kasa mo bia mfre biom
ayo atwa makande Japan
me da say o ta makande Japan hello
good
evening sir ba cho France na kasa free he
Mbocho me kasa free e futu Cape Coast
e ba cho wudi ndi say
Mbocho e bi Emmanuel
ima ka kire etiefo se o na aye last caller ntu mo bia mfre biom kana mintie
etiefo me last caller me nya free e mo bia mfre biom
fantastic o ya delegate fantastic
delegate ye secretary pa
okay o to ma hwan
me ye secretary le to ma Canada Japan
yeah dey see me da see bebre ye fa course no emfa NC na Nkwanta Bisa
Obrempong
ma yan wrap up ha na ye na ne homra etiefo de o ma dwen kira ba ewi a e be kwa collation room
yeah
na ya kwa results dey there ba
but it tells us something
okay
so polls are bia no sampling there are so many types of polls onyema influence polls it's unfortunate say my time no am wying na me presentation on onyema influence polls so be a polls enipa 211,849 no enye omo nyina na obenyomu for your polls and to be a section of it. So section no and your friend say a sampling aye. The OES is here, there's a random sampling.
Yeah.
Yenya be a omia delegates, and at your foyer truthful to us say
delegate
or a delegate. Obi a delegate close so be boniding. Because Obi was otherwise no matching a voice. Utimi huni pakro. Yeah, try the voice. Utimi huni pakro say Obrempong e kase. It that one there to be safe no. But the moment I do din be no. Na yen correction room afarija we a boss man na we. And what they will do ni say ya beto wudi na once abeka say umodi no ya fan say ebia double voting anase ya fan say ebia undi 18 ana onye yiti wudi na ya beto atwene you are not qualified and the function is so wa modi a ya rejected ballot.
Okay.
One more you can rejected ballot for. But they have been truthful.
Yeah, true.
And the masses from where I say masses go towards certain trend. So tia, especially omo delegates no. Omo koto to certain trend. And I think say also can be bitch about to na because it's not about MPP phone kwa because who new candidate and fan show them
that you never bagana for
or the bagana for him. So they should think about sanyoma way na because the factors that influences a year post no you can clearly see from the year is here. Say one, the media is part.
Yeah.
Obi obey post it take what is going on our media nim. And if you look at what is going on in the media, all the posters ban Global Info 4, APL 4, Dr. Diamo, Dr. Sapomo, all the posts now benina, they trend on certain grounds. My uncle you see, and posts and yet I dare Becca say 100%.
Okay.
May have been with Uncle Ben for and I post the be our timer. One share Adwuma ni be do because one share ultimate poster that wa be relax comfortability to wa be relax na one share ye be do baby no then go ground some pick the items na wo hia ni ye I don't know one share then uti akwa akote the ya ba be general election no ya ade bi wo sa time na me ni kuma se na me wo sunyan and me che sunyan fo nyina manager bi den Papa Clef me che team ni nyina na ye post bi ohonum in fact they said dem ye de call grounds ye ba de ade na man settle and what happened though ye nya nipa ni nyina but what happened per krobia ye course bia and not exactly what reflected in the main election.
Okay.
But every poster will tell you say in post there are differences when it comes to a major poll and the normal poll and Ken Livingston, one of the greatest when it comes to polls and elections.
Yes.
Or see, polling in general election is pretty accurate because turnout is usually high. Polling in general election is pretty accurate because turnout is usually high. Because say me fa yan fan said domeha na me kofa Tantra Hill na me fa La Pasa me sample ni pattern bia. People are being influenced by their course of jurisdiction.
Yeah, the area.
And the honor unyane clear. But seba internal politics and internal elections now. It differ. Because within the internal no, aya na factors ni bebre honum because the major post you can influence it with money. The major post no family matters obu okra ni family kwa akoto ewa hento onso beto ho. But to be a delegate in there, on kwana akwakoto. So on you be cry bia, obi edi nkwe. And you hono oye poster, eya na ehu. But at the end, you judge most of the posts, no. You judge almost based on precedent, dear Sida. The oye post, dear Bem, now we figures and say a correlating as a related with the what predicting says here now. Okay. And to Abraham Lincoln said something that is so powerful. Right. Abraham Lincoln said, the ballot is stronger than the bullet.
True.
The ballot is stronger than the bullet. And Tikasa Yabekasa and Chebeko Diabeina, it is not essential. It doesn't depict what exactly will happen tomorrow, because the ballot itself is stronger than the bullet. And me going forward, Obia function mu say all these polls are ban Obia bit ma fail.
Wura Nkwanta ebrenu ntino ma memfa we mfam mra na afei ma ba adwumaru aho na ye de ni aka atwa so but shanen soma me say medical catcho say yatena si pep student na daroma na wa my baby papa ya yete ye say twitwire wosi anopa ene anwumere anopa ene anwumere o koda no na wa twitwiri eno nti ye say do the two before you go to bed tonight. Oya anopa no akasa kan wan no me patwa ansa na obeda no fa pep student na fa chusin ekoyi pa medimafo aba center se wo churusin wi a na se wo mpo no nya bomode na bra won akache na fe ye nhwe pa odi na kwaye ofa na ajojo ana odi enyoje yare na bawa tuo se itim usisi ukotoje uchepe na ye o ya diabetes prostate ho hypertension kidney failure me se hwe hwiebe by this time echina ebi be ko hyper ebi asori tegu enda me bia ko hyper no but ni nyina medimafo aba center obedi ama ho ado obedi ama nkrofo yade bia age akentenwa aka na ato so ewo nipadua no mu no fakọ medimafo aba center na wo mo apa owo poko asmaira ewo nkran he ya asantema mu nso mekire kumase owo abu akwa agogo woni aban school no ho ne di animhwe 0244 774282 0244 774282 and 0500 727215 0500 727215 na one no abo enkomo enwumrei ye bedidi ansa na de beche na wonum be yo maduane no san de aba no eno de item 13 wom de beba na nso enwumrei aduane na wo ye no senye onga duane nkoyi pa mesrew onga ma me nsa so boafo no eno na me kanfo de ama me say me de mekoso to delegate ne fo nyame yadom chena nia obra waduane busa no wanfa onga na wanfa proof and tell say or the onga na ye aduane a gina kwatotia no ji aduane no na mom kwatotia no aduane so ji ameni eyekoto bekuma because wanfa onga na ye aduane no onga no na ye papa na how the steam nam udi ye bibia ekoyie pa promised of one de aba fd agiatum sabre food and drugs authority mpanifo no na dr tedros mo won who no won so ma agiatum kama ya fa ye hyeto no na bebo pa wo wo ton doko no sei yenko nikanika so yenkoto brumf endon ansa na ye de akonikanika so aba befote na anye sa adakro nikanika nse waburo dantia na nka abehunu ubo so beba no na emuka eburo no nka ye correct pa baba na emuka anye wa eye nikanika no so no ye pese yi sa ha we nyina free ho so no just bread and pastries just bakery for asem na making wo mo say betu dokono ewo wo mo ho na koton 3 Ghana cedis pe na ohwe wo mo dokono 3 cedis no a me say ye de je utan cedis abonten kura wo nye ho chim ai eno na wutimi de to na awotwe mienu still na dokono no se na yetia na tie me say me ye mu dance ni just bakery one mo de just what kenki e de aba 3 Ghana cedis pe na watu bi aton na akoyie pa eno nti dwumadie bi a wodi ya wohia dokono wase se person ye kenki party kura no a e just what kenki one more packages be braid they say won timi ye hyeto ene makoyi ni nkruma de ni nyina aka ho na mo de abra ba bi a wo bia 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 one more do me commercial bank na chipe ena wonu mu ebutuo ye ka dokono asemi eyaduane obi bu afu pa sanse anhwe yi a chena ne delegate akonhoma kakra be kwa akwaje de aba no anhwe a wontemi nko mesira wokona akwaje na nkoda na etwen sukuu no yabie enti kona akwaje na ayede aba no beto kwa pa time heba mester ni bito sisi a na afakwaje afakoto aba ne tew time heba mester no etu malaria se eno ensorosoro no etu ase wo wanum ato a wontimi ntibi ni no eno nso eboa ema onya pia tete appetite ekoyie pa ena won so a waposo ne waposo twetwon woda na osori ase ya bro ena wo de nam no ohia time heba mixture dr tafrija adru no ena me kanfo de ma bible ne say muni aduaba no na momfa haban no emfansa yade time heba mixture eya adu papa enya na pharmacy ne heba shops nyina mo pedodo no atu aton 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 na one empani abo emu komo ne mum hyene so nye mo pemfo ba ho makoda nufo ena akoda wo nya mfinhia du bienu ye da ye ho sima pe aba na me nsa kan krata bi efri abusia munyi maso mame efri Tim Ken ho engata wa ha very well tie mame nken kan me ba e be wuram na me di kan kan ne brofo no ase Atifian sam no say security okay mame nkomra na bre ni ntino na emom no wo mu raise issues awo abato na wo no ba beto no mu na nsa na no abusia dikan tie we mamemra
to me jenya oba eni peche mu ana dio bedachi nanso ubetumi abwana manenya pomodin free ne mofrase Yamvita ye de milk papa bi ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahodi a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin anyo impeni fosweni chopa Mawobano apomodin free ne mofrase Yamvita gumo do bebre Yamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA aji ejodi yinkrato yatum.
Midimafo, pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo heba clinic aba Accra. Anu wonti e, passengers egumi kai mu. Ehwa na dodo na ekro. Eni sa Accra ne potem yedemu. Ani yedemu ampa. De se de edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu. Abo Dr. Adwuma Babaso, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, ayaresano, I am more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Nin send the 2 months and 8 years canon. Miss me connection and said, Uncle ye, na a sakakra. She say, what pay mama, what yam them connection. What about the crow? Stroke so dear. What found small. Chessa, I did you who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. No. And then Krahanso, Obrempong, our Pokuase, Maira Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. And at 0500 727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Woodima for Newa.
Da obiari hia emwasron kubia ebemani ni opepa aye de chenja onga mama sano boafo FDA aji ejwadie yinkrato yaso sano boafo
she was say get a Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
No cra send your more calculation or no. Okay, come with that no my calculation in tabulations, you know. But before you be announce the results now, ya wa ha say, you know. In wrapping up, no, I believe say Abusiamo Nsaka Team Ken a release, you know. Mention him free as we be busy, but in 2 minutes. The concerns are almost raised very well. 5 key points and almost raised.
Yeah, so legit. They are bringing a legitimate concern.
Okay.
Going to every election, one of the things are also share security. And Team Ken, Nipa Omedena to some coordinated security. Someone over the years. Or admiration, baby. Cerebro is one of the astute security personnel that we have.
Yeah.
And the free obia ho amba African and hodie. Then soldier for services for no yes and ubedru kennel level no.
No.
Difficult to do politics with security. Senke Dr. Pargrave Bwachi Dankwa Nkwanta
a politician.
I don't give it much attention. But doing this on behalf of the security coordinator speaks volumes.
Okay.
And one, the Omurezi amount for agencies on say the Electoral Commission, any official vehicle, about transporting papers, no, Adiakwa 333 centers.
So I'm saying 276.
276, sorry. Centers nina.
Yes.
And this idea, omo the private cars kanwa.
Yeah.
Omo identify the private cars with a sticker.
EC stickers.
Electoral Commission sticker. Indicating say we a official car from Electoral Commission.
With police escort.
One day just thing they say, baby, Yankopon born and peace said they attack on Odia Fonso air to ton Nukobi. People will try to take advantage of some of these things.
True.
Because they all have pre-knowledge about this, say, all the candidates are aware, say they don't have sufficient cars. And once they don't have sufficient cars, private cars are in. And to are aware. So definitely people will develop mechanism.
Yeah.
Say quite bad you bet my you bet me adding yoma a room. So to me, because of times that I think say also me. But almost also and it also brings threat and some fear in their own on their own people.
Adwuma,
one name regions no.
Yeah,
yes. Ashanti region, Western region, Greater Accra.
3 regions.
3 regions.
Yeah.
Inti they see normally release yaba. Inti edi actually as you say no kre and no kre de brand bechre.
Oshe baby I think say last but one. The third point no. Our attention has also been drawn to an old video from 2023 presidential primaries that could cause disaffection towards any candidate circulating on the media or in the media. We strongly guard against any intimidation tactics and urge all stakeholders to refrain from circulating such videos. I have not cited any of those videos, but baby omono a free banner and
currently, video amount says circulating a showdown
video. I know there's some
and I think Bunu is so a regional youth organizer.
Okay.
And so to go by my in some crabway. Mr. Mahus video no.
Okay.
I'm saying no pay or so.
My very good friend, I think last in Kadia,
and also
on a fracture.
Now videos should be a security metro man for more fear bimu. Any other who be
okay. These are some of the things they are talking about.
But before me, up no. I college no. And I me warm so kakra. In fact, minimum entia collar ufra was me see kakra. Sasa no the answer me dream am so. And be before you careful because nipa na mo kwa no on e bedi party nanim enti wo ba o me wo kan a usuro se internal election usuro se obi ba yo den
da bi o se ska no beje haji hell
sika no beje ba bia sisi e unse me sorry
onya you ani man je haji
da bi unse me sorry I started airbing o man jeje baby constituency do no age 5 million 5 million candidate ba ko
500 cities.
500.
Allegedly.
Oh, where do you hear madam from the friend?
No, to be safe.
To be safe. Maybe I know we will try and
oh, only the own time and throw that.
But for now, you need evidence to
it. Professional.
Matthias.
Yes.
Say no, Nkwanta Bisa can say, Obeji Haji Hano. Obeji Haji Hano. I'm telling you, say, Mimi Nimobia or me constituency. Hey, won't you find this again? This is kind of ebia mo ye selected people no me abade kwambia so obeji sawati ase obia o baby o ede owo eniti mesre MP before
adwuma na make say Obrempong we obeso ode adwuma obeso ode Nkwanta Bisa the moment obey nanim so owo me no o mani skani bi eno de
what you wadwen say
no waje haje a
what you wadwen say wo ginim cry campaign
gidigidi a wonya bi
na wonam ha wo kwa ha ba
ya ti wodin say asemasi wa
eno na ye red no and here wo green yellow and red red ne de nya de wodin red ko say wodin ase de a ne wonya
on kan ho
so what
and they are all playing safe
enti eno so kan but de me kan say nipa na mukoyi no obedi party nanim nti mo nya asif say why you who say the name be say wo ye bobuga bi ne emwa wo mo me na me ka kire wo dey ya mo koyi obi okodi party no nti mo de wantwi ne niyama nkitinkiti bi e be wura mo ne ade a emwa mo
right abusia chief returning officer Baba. With the power not invested in me, but vested
from
in
the
me.
collation center.
From the collation center.
On the face of the pin sheet.
You and I were not there. In fact, total valid vote. Total vote cast. Now you're 43. Nemum total valid votes. You're 41. You have 2 rejected ballots. As according to results, no send collation center. I'm call 18. No. Enti total valid votes. You're 41. Out of the 41, no, 2 main contenders. And a buy. Kennedy or Hene Japan 33 out of 41. And Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Baumia 8 out of 41. Percentage wise, Kennedy or Hene Japan 76%. We as per some purpose and you may and say pose and random pose Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Baumia 8% and you may and rejected ballots in 4%. So with the power not invested in me, this is my resource.
Okay, auntie, the chairman say grassroots today. Omo pay Kennedy Japan. Okay. But party for no day. Omo pay Kennedy.
Fantastic.
Omo pay Baumia.
Ngata.
Na assembly tie na say.
So the Ghanaian populace and a pay Baumia. Grassroots no. Some can even develop to be delegates.
Dodo no any omo ye from floating voters.
Exactly.
Some go phone nyina pay Kennedy Japan.
Exactly.
So what I say. But assembly akwa American say Madam Fubi can say me chire me, but I'm saying me ne ya be ya dwen kakra ne say said the MPP party ne ko no say oman hwe me I'm not saying say me wo bawo me ana me wasumasi, but o ka chire me am so me de ko ma dwendwen me kra na ma Canada da o radio so na ono so beto so say baabi a party ne ko no say oman hwe yi na oman hwe yi a party no beba be yes CPP so man hwi abawo yo mokotui o man ye careful pa party no e ba be dane CPP ba bi on beto ma ba akọ no
me party ni CPP
e ba be yes CPP
Central for you party say
CPP dey say ba bi en na me dey
Central for you party
ba bi en na me dey
na mo ogum na who dey that me a youth organizer crap
na dey magum
but you be na me dey pass
me flag bearer who here in major politics yeah no
Obrempong
can't tell you sorry
ya hwini here
okay
baby a trend in nam no MPP fo anya careful baby o mbeto ma ba kochina no na wo post obi a wo ne pra ba e o Ghana ha ya NDC no ensem bebre a o maka efa nordness efa wo party hu na o china wo koto aba me dey see o ye beto aso
yeah me o sorry
yeah so that is it we dia also obi a dey tu ni tim say abato we abato a enye bete
okay
but peace na paramount
yeah
obi a emphasize peace na mama na manager Jake ase
okay
on Franco Trading enterprise marketing manager
right.
the whole Ghana said the oni edi djuma osunya no famra enkran ha odo ote benase
okay
anu so on the man baby die no make you sure say make my outfit bia no be di ho djuma ti anwumre on the next one ho djuma
o pass maka che nyankopon a aka gum framam nti ye kan o te ba yes ye ubu ba yes ye te be o mate ase pa abusia aha na premier kwan na ye betena ase hot bite ye de nyina ade asie na ye sorry see na ye mfa enchi akese enkoma obi bia ye tena ase e wo sompa 106.5 FM so e wo nkran ha no
I'm reliably informed say Ken team ne dia base sa release na baba until no fake.
Ni aken kan sesi e.
And so kwesi kwatin war. And that's it.
Wow.
Yeah, kwesi kwatin war.
Ken spokesperson.
Because once I make a choice, omo ya pekasa dudu.
We know what say because why do watch down kwa? Hey. In fact,
Oba say to aba sani ma wonyina kan ho.
Oh yeah, video say be pie kura dem dem
nyina kan ho.
Ni nyina no ya na ye amanyosemu abatu ma hunahuna. So much intimidation. Ebeba. No. But of course, Abusia, Sompa 106.5 FM, so near Sompa TV. And so, when you go to our channel, Sompa 93.1, Elsona Wuti, Aiko 100.9 Wuti, Adam for Power Radio, our France, and Inco Parimu, and no Asuna Ugusu Wuti, no. Sompa 101.1, and Augusuti and Cano, Sompa 103.3, Sunie, Afe Sompa 106.1, Eso and Wuti, no. Sompa 98.9, Sunyane, and on Wuti, no. Sompa 90.7, one Kranza, and on Augusu Wuti, no. Sompa 101.3, Ewatoma, and Noa, and Augusu Wuti, no. On your cry. So, one 50 months more, Mankasim, Kingdom 106.1 FM, and on Augusu Wuti, no. Doma Hona, no, so Augusu 8, yeah, 100.7, Doma FM, a honso so, ya biemu kama. Wamodi ko di ko dane so baby a radio for no one ubehunu Sompa FM ye ginemu pa Facebook ni Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and YouTube ni Sompa FM live www.sompaonline.com so ye ginemu den ya nsem no ya bromu de agu kanashi ya ban radio enso afamu den ya wono so etie bi ewo ehono
breaking crime de ma me cable na intercept another information. NDC for has set up collation center. Monitor MPP about.
I know much more inform.
Me say, o ma set up collation. I'm saying this on authority. Breaking news. I'm doing now.
Ghana, I do. I was here. I'm going to visit out of Atterbury. As you may ask, so Atterbury.